Hari mamwe ma mogaruruku maria Ngabana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja akoretwo akienda gutabania na itanya ria kugacirithia mucii munene wa Nairobi makoretwo magitungio regani, no Sakaja ni athiete na mbere na kuihanda na murugamo murumu wa ati we arongoreirie Nairobi ikorwo iri kirorerwa ona angikorwo mamwe ma makinya maria gutacukia matigukenia andu othe.
Think creatively, be innovative. Msikuwe rigid. Nairobi haiwezi changiwa by doing the same thing that has never worked. We must change how we look at our city.
Sakaja augite ona gutuika hau kabere mitaratara ya nakorwo ikiarirwo ya kugacirithia Nairobi no ikaringa ihiga we ni agukorwo akirutithania wira na honge itiganite, akiuga mamwe ma mogaruruku maria megutabanio megukorwo na uguni kuri muingi na makiria guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
We've told the PSPs about the standards that they must maintain, how their trucks must be. We've been seeing a lot of trucks that are open at the top, driving and spewing garbage as they move along. And we've told them that all private service providers must be registered with an association and they must fulfill our requirements. For now, 21 have been issued licenses and they're normally 300. We're giving them only 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we will not register them.
Sakaja ekwaragiriria gucemanitie na andu aria marogotaga giko ona a kambuni cia andu kiumbe oro undu umwe na ruhonge rwa maria maturigiceirie kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria arutire mukana muhiu kuri andu aria marinyitikanaga magite giko na njira itari na kihariro, akiuga matirikinyithagio thi na uguo akoria a Kenya othe kugia na uigiririki.
We've agreed on certain protocols because there had been a lot of illegal dumping. There are some of our parking boys being used to staff drainages, and those who are paying them are business people. Their hotels, their restaurants, their supermarkets. We will not tolerate illegal dumping. So what we're doing, because people normally ask, okay, you don't want us to dump, where should we dump? So we have started a process. We had started it before. One, we're bringing bins for those who are walking in town every 50 to 100 meters. We're bringing back our trucks, what we used to call Camero in Nairobi. We are already in the procurement process.
Ningi Sakaja augite ni arongoreirie guthondeka mieke ya mawira matiganite na makiria kuria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ikwandika wira mbeu njithi akuma ukuru wa miaka 18 nginyagia 28 kuhataga Nairobi kuna kuri na andu aingi akuru aria nginyagia riu no mahataga.
Unajua sasa ubaya kuwa na gavana mjanja. Ninajua hiyo game naielewa. Si ndio hiyo? Kuna wengine wenu mko private lakini bado mko na sisi. So mnachukua do ya watu mnaokota takataka yao lakini mnayapeleka huko sisi tuwalipe pia. Nyinyi noma. We'll find a way to work around that.
Na wandu aya marogotaga giko ni meyaririe na gutariria imwe ya mihingeria makoretwo magitungana nayo, no thutha wa giikaro giki othe maiguithaniria kurutithania wira na Ngabana Sakaja niguo gutheria Nairobi. Sakaja akiuga ni egukorwo agithondeka mutambo munene wa gutheria giko mwena wa Dandora, undu uria ukuhe ona aikari a mwena ucio mawira.
Tutakuwa na Dandora Power Company as a special purpose vehicle na yule ambaye atakuja. So tumetoa hiyo tenda na hiyo kandarasi ni ya kimataifa. Unajua kuna nchi mbalimbali ambao kwao takataka wananunua kwa sababu wameona manufaa yake na wameona vile inafaidi watu. So ile mpango wa Ruai haitaendelea.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirore.